This video will show you how to replace the high beam bulb on a Ford Edge. This will be located inside of your headlamp assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our high beam bulb. For this, we're going along the inboard side of our headlamp assembly, directly inside of the engine compartment. The bulb we're looking for here is not the upper bulb, we're making our way down to the lower bulb. For this, while the bulb is still in place, you can reach down, take hold of the locking tab, and pull it away from the bulb itself. If you have a hard time doing it by hand, you could carefully use a small pocket screwdriver if necessary. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it has to be taken care of. This looks good, so we'll set it aside. We'll take hold of the high beam bulb, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it from the headlamp assembly. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of our part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, we're using only a clean rag, no detergents. Just a quick wipe. That looks good. Now it's time to install our high beam bulb. As far as the bulb installation, line it up, turn it clockwise, listen for a click, make sure it's secured. After that, we'll continue on with our electrical connector. Now, as far as our electrical connector, we need to make sure we have the locking tab facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Line it up, press it in, we'll listen for a click. After an audible click, just a light tug, confirming it's properly secured in place. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.